So here we start with a Type 3, number 41, Phillester rebate plane, Miller's patent. And we go on to the Type 4, number 41, which is also a Phillester. And in between you can see the hollows and rounds. And the next is this Type 4 gunmetal, number 42, with a Phillester bed as well. And then Type 3, number 43, that did not take a Phillester, is just a Plow. And the same thing with the Type 5, number 43. There's no holes in the skate to take a Phillester. And then there's the Type 6A, number 43, the same thing, except now it has a rosewood fence on it. Here we switch over to the Type 1, number 45, which is the one with the knobs, rosewood knob on the main body of the frame. And you'll see that change in a little bit. And then the Type 1B, there's just a minor change between those two, and that's that they slotted the brass screws on the top. And then a Type 2, number 45. That's next. And the Type 3, 45. And then that feeds us into the number 55, which you can see is probably the most complex of almost all of the planes of Stanley. There might be the dovetail plane and a fiberboard plane that has more parts, maybe, because this one is so complex. And now we're just going back through it and going back over to this next shelf above that'll have the next generation of the 45s. And right above there you see it's a Type 4, number 45, still with the front knob on the main skate, but then it switches to Type 7B with the knob now on the outside skate or fence, easier to apply pressure sideways. And then the Type 12, number 45, and the Type 16, number 45, all minor changes. And then you go into the 46. The 46 has a skewed blade and an attachable, detachable fence that adds to the main fence. And then the Type 10, number 46, and then the Type 12, and then we're into the 47s, Type 4, and Type 8 of the 47s. And there you see Type 1, number 141, with the bull nose that can be removed, and then the 141, the more modern one, and the 143 at the end. So that's a little tour of the 40s, and I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope to do a video with a lot more of the details on these different planes. This is just sort of a teaser little video, just to play with it and enjoy the planes that I've got here and share them. But there'll be another video that I'll do that'll go into greater detail.